Well, actually, kind of neutral, I guess. Like, ooh. Hello. Trying to decide, do I want to go to the grocery outlet that is over here? I don't want to buy my house. I'm in between both of them at the moment. Closest to the one over here. Well, actually, kind of neutral, I guess. I don't know, though. I guess I'll go that one. Either the other one's bigger, the one that's over here. Better selection sometimes. The other one's just more convenient because it usually takes me, like, depending how I feel, and all those factors, traffic, what bike I'm on, like 7 to 10 minutes one way. Oh, I feel like I was just here. What was that? Is that the other friend? Okie dokie. Dang, right up there. Now a good spot. No driveway openings. Alright. Excuse me. Dang it. Gonna go to the other side of this intersection so I can face the traffic forward. Not on a bike and not with a friend. Okie dokie. We're dumpster diving. Huh? Of course, it's my luck. Dang it. I don't know how to fake it. Okay. Go a weird way. Oh, yeah. Left hand. Boing. Okay.